Welding is the process of using some form of heat energy to join metal parts. One type of welding, arc welding, uses an electrical current to weld objects. Change your life, be better. Science Father presents welding technology. It's the hybrid event. International Research Awards on Welding Technology. Next event start on 23 to the 24th of June 2023. At a beautiful place in San Francisco. We have 10 plus award. 100 plus awards winners. Nominate now Welding Award. Join with us. 8th edition of International Research Awards on Welding Technology, on 23 to 24 2023, at the beautiful place of San Francisco, Welding Summit 2023, nominate now, scientist academician research scholars for presentation, in our International Research Awards on Welding Technology.